2023.
So the day has finally come. The Alfa Junior Veloce is going back to Alfa Romeo, and I've got to say I'm going to miss this baby. It's one of those unique cars, those unique sort of very eccentric quirks, Alfa quirks, which just enforce you to leave this car with a smile every day. I don't know if it's those four-leaf clover wheels, those ultra low profile tires, those magnificent brake calipers behind the wheel, the ride, which is like a go-kart, you know, it's just amazing. You just feel like this car is never going to run out of grip. It's got a real sports car feel to it. And I think in summary, if I have to say anything about this car, is you got to get used to driving electric, because electric is the future. So I think that it's one of those cars that, to put it in two sentences, if you are a young man, this car will make you feel mature, sensible in terms of its environmental impact. And if you are older, this car will make you feel young and irresponsible, which is exactly what you want to feel when you're older. So yeah, I think that this is just, in many respects, the perfect all-round car. If you're looking for a compact SUV, city runabout, I think the price is sensible. I think the space is sensible. I think the build quality is excellent. And I think Alfa have got a winner.